Olunaku olwaleero ennaku z'omwezi ziri 21. Olunaku olwaleero bulijjo Bannayuganda bye beekalakaasa Museveni message agiraba bulungi era afollowinga bulungi. Bw'atyo avuddeyo n'akangavvula ku ddoboozi n'agamba nti Bannayuganda temuddamu kuleekaana, Bannayuganda temuddamu kugenda nga mundaga obwa dictatorship bwange. Mumanyi nze najja kwekolerera, najja kukolera famire yange, sajja kukolera mmwe. Ebigambo bino ebimuzaalidde obuzibu obuyitirivu. Abadde alowooza nti Bannayuganda bulijjo baba mu kuzannyamu, abadde alowooza nti Bannayuganda just bulijjo babeera awo bye bakola tebabitegeera, naye ate munnange agenze okulaba nga kino kimulya tekirina we kimuleka era nga abadde asuubira ng'alowooza nti Bannayuganda baamuvaako, baamuleka akole by'ayagala, n'ate agenza okukitunulamu n'okukiraba nga Bannayuganda balabika bali sirias nnyo, baagala kununula ggwanga lyabwe era nga tulina kintu ky'oyinza kubagamba oba okubabuulira. This is Uganda for Ugandans era Bannayuganda nga tukulembeddwa His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Amaanyi gaffe, obuwagizi bwaffe, essuubi lyaffe we liri, tumanyi nti tutambula ng'abawanguzi era tutambula ng'abanunuzi. Omukulembeze waffe omulungi wakulembera, naffe nitukulembera, ly'essanyu lyaffe era ge maanyi gaffe. So bwe tulaba His Excellency Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine nga tukulembedde bulungi, kituwa amaanyi, kituwa omukwano, kituwa essuubi, kituwa okwagala era kitulaga nti tulinako olugendo lutambula ate nga lutwala mu maaso. Naye omumpembe wa kuno ye alowooza nti bw'anaatutiisatiisa oba bw'anaatukangakanga amaanyi gagenda kutuggwaamu, tube nga tetukyalina kye twogera, tube nga tetukyalina kye tukola, naye nga tumugamba we are sorry, ffe ebyaffe bitambula nga bigenda mu maaso. Anti tulina omukulembeze omulungi eyakulembera abantu baffe era atutwala mu buwanguzi. Tetulina kyakukola nga tukulembeddwa Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine. Amaanyi gaffe we gali, essuubi lyaffe we liri era nga twebaza nnyo baganda baffe abali mu diaspora abakoze omulimu gw'amaanyi. Munnange tubali tumanyi Museveni tabiraba, naye abiraba, abiwulira, buli kimu akigenda mu maaso akiraba era kimunuguna nnyo okulaba nga tweyimukiramu ne tugamba ekimala kimala twerwaneko tulabe nga tweggyako ekizibu ekyatugira. So baganda ffe abali mu diaspora abakola omulimu guno tweyanziza ate ne tubasaba temukomaoko, musigale nga mulwana.
She's having a glass of I think white wine. Oh, she says when we finish late, then she will wait for me at the station. Or she comes here and we go. She's waiting for my call. For her, she flies out to Uganda on the 9th.
Against the human rights abuses in Uganda. When we talk about human rights in Uganda, the abuses of human rights in Uganda, we are talking about standing like how I'm standing here and demonstrating peacefully. We are talking about women to be free, walk down the streets of Uganda without being scared or fear of being raped. We are talking about Ugandans to be free in their own country without the fear of being tortured in the death torture chambers. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Thank you.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Wake up. Wake up. Hello, Ugandans. Welcome. Hello. I would like to thank everyone who has attended. I know it's not a good day, but at least everyone has made an effort to come. Hello, Ugandans! For God and my country! Thank you so much, everyone who has attended. I know it's not a good day, but at least we have come. My advice is we should not give up. Please do not give up. Whatever you are doing, as long as it's taking out Museveni, do not give up.
people have the right to run and drive.
Please do not give up. Because you know what? Museveni is used. The party is used to give up. Whatever you do, as long as it takes time to save and do not give up. This is my message today. Because Museveni is used to those who give up quickly. Museveni told since the general elections that we are going to give up, but we are here standing. I am telling you, Museveni, we are not give up. We want to see you live in Uganda. And what else I have to say? I'm really sorry for those people who lost their lives, including my brother Glover from Jotela. I'm really sorry. And today I honor you as a great soldier, and that's it. And for Napanja, the Prime Minister, bring back John Bosco to Palama. We need John Bosco to Palama. We are not going to give up. Thank you so much.
Hello, Ugandans. Hello.
This is a share code and all the images.
Hello, Ugandans.
When you stand up, the website. Sorry.
You must not know that the people standing in front of you are Ugandan community living in the UK. Why are we here today? We are remembering the 200 who died today on the 18th in Uganda and were killed by the dictator who has been in power for 40 years. This man, Museveni of Uganda, killed 200 people on this day in 2020. So we are here to remember the people he killed. People power. Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga!
One people. One Uganda. You guys have missed out on land. One Uganda.
One people!
One people.
One Uganda!
Today we remember 200 people who were killed on the streets of the capital, Uganda, by the dictator, the junta, who is in power today. And what keeps him in power is the UK government that gives him the grants, the aid, the loans. Stop financing the dictator. Stop financing the dictator. You finance him for the years. We are not asking for your money. All we ask from the British government, stop funding the dictator. We can take him on. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kunga. Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
One people.
One Uganda.
One Uganda.
One people.
Stop financing the dictator.
My people, listen to this. You are financing the richest man in Africa.
Hey, Rodney, how are
Museveni,
you?
the lunatic
Hi,
of
my
Uganda,
brother.
is 13
I'm
billion
sorry,
rich.
I'm so stressed.
Now,
You need
if
to
he's
pick one of
after
these.
the development of his country, he can just take a chunk of 4 billion
Hi, brother, how are
and
you?
reconstruct
Oh my
Uganda.
God.
Captain D.
This is the richest
I'm
dictator in
I
Africa,
see.
Museveni of Uganda.
Oh, thank you.
13 billion rich.
Try to the back.
Why should he be coming to the UK to ask for 500 million?
You need to have one of
He needs to take a chunk of that which he has and develop Uganda. But because it's the most worst corrupt leader on earth, he has decided to enrich himself and bring this money to the UK. When we talk about 13 billion US dollars, that money is in the UK. He has built massive, he has bought massive mansions in Chelsea, Kensington, Nestle. He's a multi-billionaire. Your tax money and my tax money, when it goes to Uganda, is recycled back to the UK. And the brutal dictator is rich.
Oh, you know he's going to remove Museveni.
The
Because it's not the first. Or you see,
stop funding and sending your money and my money to Uganda. Because this money is like the UK is conniving with the brutal dictator in the raping, the murdering, the kidnapping, the illegal detention of political prisoners in Uganda. People power. Our power.
People power.
DJ solemn music.
Solitebukabulwa n'ebigambo byabadde agenda ng'agamba nti Bannayuganda tebajja kweyimukiramu, Bannayuganda era tebajja kuvayo kwerwanako. Awulidde ng'aswadde kubanga Bannayuganda bayimuse ne bagamba nedda balina okulaga obubbi bwa Museveni okwetooloola ensi yonna era nga omulimo bagukoledde ddala bulungi. Tusiimye nnyo Baganda baffe, tusiimye nnyo mikwano gyaffe mwenna bawangaalira mu UK. Buli wamu Baganda baffe aba diaspora mwenna abayimusa eddoboozi lyammwe okulaba nga muyimusa eddoboozi eryo not only for Ugandans wabula for the whole world. Tusiimye nnyo, mwebale nnyo okulaga bulwanirizi bwammwe, mwebale nnyo kwagala ddembe lyammwe era mwebale nnyo okulaga nti Uganda etambula ng'egenda mu maaso. Tuli basiimu nnyo ate era tuli basanyufu olw'okubanga nti we muli era mmwe mutuwa amaanyi, mmwe mutusuubiza era amaanyi gaffe gali nammwe. Tetulina gwe tugamba nti ki wabula mmwe nga mukulembedde tewali kigenda kugaana. Tumanyi nti obuwanguzi tuli nabwo era tumanyi nti tutambula n'abawanguzi era tusuubira nti tugenda kuba abawanguzi ab'enjawulo. His Excellency the President of Uganda atukubiriza okuba abakkakkamu naye obukakkamu oluusi butuuka ne tulaba nga butuzitoowereddeko era bwetyo ne tugamba nedda kino kisusse we kyandikomye ne tuyimukiramu tutandika okulwana, tutandika okulaba nga tutereeza byonna ebyasoba. So tuli basiimu nnyo eri mikwano gyaffe abakola kyonna ekisoboka okulaba nga tugezaako okulwanyisa obulembe ekizibu.
She's having a glass of ice.
They are using the arm
Oh, she's coming.
to grab
She says
the land.
when we finish late, then she will wait for me at the
We are
station.
standing here
Or she comes
in
here and we
solidarity
go. She's waiting
with
for
our
my
brothers
call.
and sisters in Uganda.
For her,
who cannot stand
she
like
flies
us
out to Uganda
demonstrate
on the 9th.
against the human rights abuses in Uganda. When we talk about human rights in Uganda, the abuses of human rights in Uganda, we are talking about standing like how I'm standing here and demonstrating peacefully. We are talking about women to be free, to walk down the streets of Uganda without being scared or fear of being raped. We are talking about Ugandans to be free in their own country without the fear of being tortured in the death torture chambers. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Wake up. Wake up. Hello, Ugandans. Hello, Ugandan! For God and my country! Thank you so much, everyone who has attended. I know it's not a good day, but at least we have come. My advice is we should not give up. Please do not give up. Whatever you are doing, as long as it's taking out Museveni, do not give up.
As you can see, there we people have the right running dry.
Please do not give up. Because you know what? Museveni is used
This is on
parties
the
to give up.
safe line.
Whatever you do, as long as it takes time to save and do not give up. This is my message today. Because Museveni is used to those who give up quickly. Museveni told since the general elections that we are going to give up. But we are here standing. I am telling you, Museveni, we are not give up. We want to see you live in Uganda. And what else I have to say? I'm really sorry for those people who lost their lives, including my brother Glover from Jotela. I'm really sorry. And today I honor you as a great soldier, and that's it. And for Napanja, the Prime Minister, bring back John Bosco Chibalama. We need John Bosco Chibalama. We are not going to give up. Thank you so much.
Hello, Ugandans. Hello.
This is a share code and all the images
Hello,
here,
you guys.
when you scan that's the website will be there. Sorry,
You must not know
can you hear
that the people standing in front of you are Ugandan community living in the UK. Why are we here today? We are remembering the 200 who died today on the 18th in Uganda and were killed by the dictator who has been in power for 40 years. This man, Museveni of Uganda, killed 200 people on this day in 2020. So we are here to remember the people he killed. People power. Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga!
One people.
Kunga!
One Uganda. You guys have missed out on land. One Uganda.
One people!
One people.
One Uganda!
Today we remember 200 people who were killed on the streets of the capital, Uganda, by the dictator, the junta, who is in power today. And what keeps him in power is the UK government that gives him the grants, the aid, the loans. Stop financing the dictator. Stop financing the dictator. You finance him for 40 years. We are not asking for your money. All we ask from the British government, stop funding the dictator. We can take him on. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Kunga. Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
Kunga Uganda kunga.
Kunga.
One people.
One Uganda.
One Uganda.
One people.
Stop financing the dictator.
My people, listen to this. You are financing the richest man in Africa.
Hey, Rodney, how are
Museveni,
you?
the richest
Hi,
of
my
Uganda,
brother.
is
I'm
13
sorry,
billion
I'm
rich.
so stressed.
Now,
You need
if
to
he's
be one of
after
these.
the development of his country, he can just take a
Tweyanziza nnyo baganda baffe mwenna abayimusa amaloboozi gammwe okulaba nga mugezaako tulwanire wamu tube nga tutereeza byonna ebyasoba. So Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Babwani, His Excellence the Elected President of Uganda, the People's Hope, the People's Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Babwani agenda maaso n'okutulaga nti nno wakabi ate era nti wamazima. Bino byonna tebigenda kuba nti oba ki, tugenda maaso n'okutegeeza bannayuganda nti Uganda eyawamu ye Uganda etambula, ate era Uganda eyawamu ye Uganda bannayuganda gwe beekutte. Museveni ayinza olowooza nti okutta bannayuganda oba okusaanyawo bannayuganda kigenda mufuula Ssaabalwanyi, kigenda mufuula ow'enjawulo era kigenda muleetera okumutya. Era nti buli munnayuganda agenda kuba mu kukankana olw'okuba yaseetebwabulwa n'etwongera omujjukiza nti byonna bikole naye akaseera ke ak'okuva mu ntebe kali ku kkubo nga kakonkona, kubanga bannayuganda bamanye ekituufu kye baagala era bannayuganda bagenda kuba nga bakulembera wamu era nga muganda waffe munnayuganda mukwano gwange muganda wange tukutegeeza this is Uganda for Ugandans era Uganda egenda kuba etukulembera, egenda kuba etambula nga etambulira wamu ate nga tulina essuubi n'essanyu tugenda kuba bawanguzi. Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Babwani, His Excellence the Elected President of Uganda nga tukulembeddemu tuwa kigenda kugaana ate tulina essuubi nti tetugenda kudda mabega. Olutabaalo twalukwata era tusuubira tujja tufunamu buwanguzi bwereere.